Thank you for joining me for this virtual tour. I'm standing right here outside of Unit 423 North. This is a 573 square foot studio apartment, and I think you're really going to like it. Come on in. Standing inside the living room of this apartment, we've got a number of features inside of this space, including a programmable thermostat here for the wall placed here, solar shades, so that you can darken the apartment really any time of the year, any time of day, and also cut down on utility costs. A full-size balcony, which is obviously really nice being on the top floor, and then both trickle vents and a good-sized window here that, if you felt so inclined, we could also install a rental AC unit. We have ample countertop and cabinet space, as well as our two-tone finish package. All of our units do have stainless steel Energy Star rated appliances, including microwave, range, and dishwasher. They do also have double sinks and garbage disposals in every unit as well. We provide to all of our residents here on site a small personal compost bin, in addition to the compost bins they can find throughout the community. And of course you do have the fridge here on the opposite side of the bedroom. You're going to find that this is an adequate size space for a queen size bed. Among the features that you're going to find just in here are the pony wall to allow natural light and airflow, the ceiling fan, as well as a really good sized walk-in closet, especially considering this is a studio. Plenty of room here for all of your clothes. Bathroom, you're going to find a tub shower combination, ample storage underneath the sink, and the sink, shower, and toilet are also all going to have water sense fixtures. And just to cut down on your water usage, save a little bit of money on your utility bill every month. Here in the hallway, just opposite that, you're going to have our coat closet, our linen closet, the pantry, and then in this closet here with the vent, you're always going to find your stacked washer dryer. So what did you think about that apartment? I know you're going to love it. If you have any questions at all about Unit 423 North, or would like to put down a deposit for that, please reach out to us at wallingford@amli.com.